A health check can be performed from Texecom Cloud to remotely service the control panel. This can be done manually or on a set schedule, making it easy for you to offer maintenance contracts and saving unnecessary site visits. From the site overview page, click Health Check. To perform a manual health check, click Health Check Now. This will start the health check. To schedule a health check, click Set Schedule. Click Enable Automatically Scheduled Health Check. Select the date and time you want to schedule the first health check. Select the frequency of the health check. Click Save. You can see the date and time of the next scheduled health check. The health check history can be used to show any previous health checks for the selected site.